open because of the cultural aspects. बहुत सी चीजें थी. 36 years काफी होते हैं छुपे रहने में, कुछ ना कहने में, बर्दाश्त करने में, और इस वजह से I feel कि ये मेरा एक पैशन बन गया है. एक मेरी सीरीज है Coffee with Zoffy, which is on women empowerment and on different issues that befall our culture, etc. Or I'm starting this process wherever people need. It's just like having a cup of coffee with Zoffy and talking about what they feel, because असल चीज होती है communication. Communication के बगैर कोई भी चीज जो है वो solve नहीं की जा सकती. So before I begin, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, ये talk आपको formal चाहिए या informal चाहिए? I can do both. Are you sure? इसका मतलब है मैं कई दफा कुछ ridiculous बातें भी कर सकती हूँ? Do you give me the right to say some silly things? Are you sure? So I give you that same right as well. Because in my dictionary, there is nothing silly, stupid. All the creativity started in this world from a silly, stupid idea. और तब लोगों ने कहा, यार क्या कर रहे हो? ये तो नहीं होगा. जब वो multi-billion dollar industries बन रही, तो कहा, हाँ देखा मैंने तुम्हें कहा था कितना अच्छा आइडिया है, right? So there is no silly things. ये फोरम कोई मैं ट्राई करूंगी, 4 बहुत टेक्स्ट हैवी स्लाइड्स हैं जो आपको बोर करेंगी, सो पहले ही मेरी अपॉलॉजीज, वो मुझे आपको दिखानी है. बट ये फोरम इसलिए है कि हम सब चेंज कैटलिस्ट्स बन जाएं. ये आप लोग तो देखते होंगे, मैं तो टीवी नहीं देखती अनफॉर्चुनेटली, मगर इतने सारे टॉक शोज होते हैं, हमारे पॉलिटिकल होते हैं, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग, उसमें हर कोई ये कहता है हमें कुछ करना चाहिए, इन्हें कुछ करना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को कुछ करना चाहिए. I believe that be the change you want to be in the world. So आज का जो फोरम है इसमें हम जरा brainstorming करेंगे. I'm sorry, I'll be repeating in English, Beverly. If you don't understand, I'll keep switching between English and Urdu. I apologize for that. ये तो हदीस है कि जब कोई कमरे में ऐसा हो जिसको ना जानता हो वो लैंग्वेज, तो आपको वही इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Beverly, said that if there is one person in the room who does not understand your language, you should switch to a language that is understandable by him or her as well. All right, so this is going to be more of a brainstorming session. Let's tackle this problem in the first place. उसके लिए right at the start, अभी वो interview भी कर रहे थे, बड़ा red carpet experience था मेरे लिए. So उसके अंदर वो पूछा था कि आज आप क्या कहेंगी? What are you going to talk about? So I'll give you the punchline right at the start. To tackle any situation in the world, there is a AAA formula. What do you think the AAA formula, AAA, stands for? You don't say, Beverly, because I know what you're going to say. Usually AAA is for the anonymous type. You know what I mean? So पहला A क्या होगा? किसी प्रॉब्लम को डील करने के लिए, किसी सिचुएशन, चैलेंज को फेस करने के लिए AAA फॉर्मूला होता है. Sorry, first is attitudes. और by the way, जो भी आंसर करेगा उसको चॉकलेट मिलेगा. Sorry, awareness. चलें आप दोनों शेयर. The first A is awareness. Let's spread the awareness. Sometimes we go through life with blinders on because we are so busy. We have to feed our kids, we have to make our living, so we put our blinders on and we are only focused on what we are doing. But if certain challenges are not faced by us, that does not mean that they don't exist. And sometimes we ignore them. बहुत टाइम लगता है. किसके पास टाइम है कि इन challenges को आगे ज़्यादा awareness करे? So the first A is awareness. What is the second A? Acceptance. Who said that? I hope it reaches you. Sorry about that. मैं जब कहूँगी तो आपने चॉकलेट सबको देना है, ठीक है? I apologize for that. So what was the first A? Awareness. What is the second A? Acceptance. Now the third one should be easier. Oh, अब आप खुद ही choose करें किसको चॉकलेट देना. A big hand for you guys. Is the sound coming too loud? Can you hear me at the back? Backseaters, backbenchers. यूनिवर्सिटी के बाद आदत नहीं गई पीछे बैठने की. I'm just kidding. All right. So we are all in this boat together, and you can ask me a question as well. ये मेरी वजह से हो रही है खड़क खड़क. अच्छा फिर ठीक है. Look, मेरी ego मुझे बताती है, my ego tells me that I have every right to be here. No, I don't have any right. Maybe I have done some research or anything. Okay, my exposure perhaps is more because I conduct trainings all over the world. In Africa, all of Middle East, have gone to Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, everything. And I have done, you'll be surprised, I have done a women empowerment program in Saudi Arabia. And I was so happy that, you know, I don't know if you know the Saudi Arabian setup. In Saudi Arabia, women do work in organizations, but all the women have just one room. The finance assistant, finance manager also sits there, the HR also sits there, all the women are cordoned off in one room. But when I talked to these wonderful, wonderful women, I was so happy. Because, you know, by the way, no disrespect to the men, but I will be talking to you as well, and I'll be talking to the women separately. But you are aware of the fact that women have it tougher in this world. True or false? True? औरतों की ज़्यादा ऊंची true की आवाज़ आई है.
They have every the brunt of it.
Right? Breaking the glass ceiling. I have done trainings for, and Pakistan is not there alone. There are so many countries where I've talked about breaking the glass ceiling. Glass ceiling क्या होता है? कि आपको ऊपर higher levels नजर आ रही हैं, लेकिन आप वो तोड़ नहीं सकते. You can't break the glass ceiling. And unfortunately, the biggest thing against that is the gender itself. Being a woman, as Huria was saying, that कहते हैं ये नहीं कर सकती. As I said, I conduct trainings all over. Sometimes I ask managers that, hey, why don't you hire women? What do you think they reply? Chocolate for somebody who reply. क्या वजह है औरतों को preference नहीं दी जाती कुछ jobs पे and men are given preference? Sorry? They can't work outside. Okay, false. और बताओ, I'll give you a chocolate.
They have family issues.
They have family issues. Yeah.
They
If a child is sick, sorry?
You've got a lot of time. That's a perception. I'm a recruiter. I think that if I'm hiring a female, I would check a few things.
Right.
What are her commitments? Is she married? Is she engaged? How many kids she have? Or stuff like that. So we perceive, it is somewhat correct, but not all the time, that we perceive that her first priority would be her family and a lot of other things that would be pulling her back. And I would be expecting 100% commitment from her.
Right.
So I would say, okay, if it's not a job that is to be done by a female, a man. And then the second perception is that in our society we believe that man is the bread earner. You know, he carries the responsibility to bring bread and butter and a lot of other stuff on the table. So why not a man who would take his job more seriously than a female?
Okay.
So
Yes, please.
All right. Can I ask you a question? Are you an employer or an employer, by the way?
I am hired as unit head HCM and OD, and my job is to find good people for my organization.
So you think that females are not good stuff for that?
No, I would hire females. I would hire females that are very energetic, but that are career-driven, career-oriented, and energetic.
Okay, time out, ladies. I'll come to you just in 1 second. We will have an extensive Q&A in the end. But if we start this, man, I won't even get time to show you my slides. Yes. What?
One question.
Yes, please.
It's not a question. I think it all boils down to somebody else taking the right from me to make a decision for me.
Right.
I shouldn't make it.
Right.
I think I will do this. So
Stereotyping.
yeah.
Stereotyping, unfortunately, there are so many reasons why this is going to be. And one thing I tell you, the ladies of the house, I have lived by only one quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. You've heard it before, but it has been my mantra for years. I've been doing trainings for 21 years. So that is, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. So even if somebody is saying that to you, as long in your heart you don't feel that inferior, nobody has the right and nobody can do it. All right? And that is the same which we'll be talking about in harassment itself as well. All right. So As I said today, a AAA formula. And one more thing, guys. Please, may I request you to have an open mind about it?
Okay.
And pardon me if I say something wrong. My intention is not that, but because we are brainstorming on this issue, let's tackle it together. All right? So, Huria asked the question. She stole my question. She said that, has somebody been harassed here before? So, few women just raised their hand. But I can tell you, as in the macro, so in the micro, if 5 women have raised their hands, including myself, it means it is more than that who have been. But because, is it because of me? ये इसकी वजह से? अच्छा, ये सेट कर दो भाई, बहुत annoying है, मेरी बड़ी OCD personality है. It means if 5 of them have been harassed, don't you go shopping? Aren't you ogled anywhere? Have you been to Anarkali or Ichra? I'm being very practical. Maybe you have sometimes gone in a public transport. How can it be that you have not been harassed? I'm not taking to the extreme, but in other even casual kind of a harassment, so to say. So harassment hoti kya hai ji? What is harassment? कैसे define करेंगे? Huria had also defined what is harassment.
Any action which is not welcome.
Any action which is not welcome, ji.
Pressure, creating some pressure.
Creating some pressures. What else?
Making others uncomfortable.
Sorry?